Hello everyone, I am back. So today I want to talk to you. Oh yeah, by the way, real quick, so I'm using a whole new mic setup and I'm trying to see how it is. So it's a brand new mic and everything, so I want to see how that goes for y'all. Let me know if you like it. I hope you do, because it was pretty fucking expensive. Because the other microphone that I have was you know, good for interviews and everything, but definitely not for like high peak noises and everything, like especially when on the freeway or whatever. But this one's supposed to be a lot better. It's I forgot what it's called. It's like something purple or whatever. I don't know. Oh man, forgot my lunch. Well, I'm not going back. If I do, then I'll be late for work. Oh well. Oh my god. Anyways, I want to talk to you about my experience with having the coronavirus. Now, I know, I'm okay now. I got retested and it says negative. So you're all good. Don't worry, I'm good now. I was isolated when I had it. You know, I was making sure I followed the rules and everything, so don't worry y'all, I'm good now. Okay. Oh, you know what, I forgot my mask. If everyone gets some grub or whatever, you know, I'll just wear the helmet. It's not a big deal. But it keeps my neck warm when I'm out riding, so. Alright, so anyways, when I had the coronavirus and everything, what happened, you know, the symptoms that I was having, you know, I noticed that, you know, everybody's different. Some people might not even have a single symptom. Some people are like badly, they just need to go to the hospital, or not hospitalized, but sorry. Luckily for me, you know, it wasn't too bad. You know, the symptoms that I was having, you know, it's just like headaches and dizziness, and unable to taste or smell anything. Like at first, like I've been noticing the dizziness and the headaches, but I was like, oh man, I thought I was just getting a little sick at first. I didn't realize that was part of the symptom. But then I was unable to taste or smell anything. I was like, oh crap. So that's when I know I had the coronavirus. I had to get tested, test positive, to the doctor, to my boss, and then I was isolated. When I was isolated and I search signals, well, this is Arizona, so what do you expect? And then, you know, got retested after 2 weeks, and then tested out negative, and then I was good back to go to work. Yay. It's funny because all my coworkers are like, stay back. I know you tested negative, but I don't trust you still. I was like, yeah, I don't blame you. But I took it seriously, don't worry, I didn't joke around with it. I took it seriously. So, you know, it sucks for me because, like, you know, I'm a fat ass. And when I eat food, I need to smell it and taste it to enjoy it. And it sucks because, like, I couldn't smell it or taste it. And so, you know, I was having some of my favorite food or little snacks I like, and there's like, it was weird. So I didn't enjoy eating. I was so sad. Oh my god. Especially my fat ass. Shit. But then the second I got my taste buds back and I was like to smell it things, I was like, so this is like bench eating and everything. Yeah, I was literally just bench eating and everything. I was like, yay, I was so happy. Come on, people, it's a freeway. Step back. Oh fuck, it's really cold. Well, let's see how this mic does on the freeway. if you haven't noticed my post I posted a couple days ago, you know how dirty my air filter was. I was like, oh god. You know, I was thinking about getting the factory air filter, since I don't want to buy a power command or anything like that for it yet. And so I was like, well, you know, I didn't want to ride it, and I know it has aftermarket exhaust and it's going to have a aftermarket air filter like right now. But as long as I don't ride it too much, then that's fine. And I was like, you know what, I'm fine to keep this bike, so it's whatever. I'm fine to put a power commander on it anyway, so what's the big deal? So I got the Canon air filter. Another thing is I need to find something to mold this, because you know, like I said, because the oxidation in my headlight, because the guy put HID lights onto it, and I think it just take those HIDs out and just put LEDs on instead. Yeah, the HIDs looks really cool, and I do agree with that. But for just the sake of just, you know, for fixing up that headlight, because it's just that hole in there, and I don't have any epoxy or anything like that. Going over there. Whee. Oh yeah, so it turns out that's a power plant. I thought at first something was on fire. I was like, what? But then the next time, last time I passed by, I was like, wait a minute, it's a power plant. Like, I haven't heard anything but the news, like some sort of city's like burning down or anything like that. I was like, I wonder why. Went back here, it's like, oh, okay, it has to be a power plant of some sort. Don't you there, motherfucker. I'm right here. Bitch. Okay. I don't know why you're braking, even though you have a mile way of, you know, room in front of you. The traffic ahead isn't even braking. What the heck's wrong with you? Oh damn, you know, I'll always hate being behind those trucks when they're carrying or something like that, because you just never know when those straps are going to break and then all that shit's going to fly into you. You know, I hear so many things like that before. You know, I work in the automotive shop before, you know, for like the power sports stuff and everything. So I heard a lot of like track stories of like with bikes falling over because the strap broke. I even heard like crates of motorcycles, or no, not motorcycles, of side-by-sides just in the middle of the road because the strap broke. I was like, oh damn. I like it how you, oh nice classic truck. I like it how this white car just has its left turn signals on, but then just went to the right instead. Okay, so I finally got the factory kickstand for this bike down, but I haven't installed it yet because I haven't received the stock linkage for this bike yet. So I'm just waiting on that, and then I'm able to put this bike at the factory height. Finally. Finally off the freeway. Oh, my hands are freezing. You know what? I need to get my gloves from Amy. My winter gloves. Yeah. Warm up. Yeah. There we go. Oh, actually, ooh, that feels nice. Good harder bike. Yeah, my front brake went out. Did I have any tea? No energy drinks. Can have that. Ooh, yes. Fully stocked. And a cook. Yeah. Oh, yes, they're so fresh. They're like soft and everything. Oh, yes. Wait. Love when they're soft. Oh god, that's so scary.
Can you ride wheelies?
Maybe so.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect.
My buddy and his twin brother, they used to be real bad, man.
Oh really?
They used to be really good. One of them died. Oh yeah, you're all dressed out. You're good.
Yeah.
You're right. And their gas tanks were dented in like that.
Oh yeah, like a stump bike. Yeah.
They're the owners of the people fishing ship on Van Buren.
Oh really?
27 Calgary, yeah.
Oh, heard of that place. Yeah. Alright, time to go back to work and eat my food. I got everything. Boy. I was flashing at you. I was flashing my headlights at you for a reason. Because no, he's fast. Fast ass minivan you got there, boy. ¿Qué pasó? ¿Qué pasó de ese? Exactly. Oh wow, it shows the ghetto came out of me. I'm tough like that in years.